to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and my daughter has finished the little mirror that we got from Fansells, so I thought I'd show you what it looks like. So I don't need to hold it up that close because I've zoomed in so much. So it's a little compact mirror, and she's finished that with the skull, which I think looks really pretty. There is a lot of diamonds left. Each and every one has loads left considering what was used, but there is no fear at all of any of those running out. So yeah, absolutely loads and loads of them left, and they're stuck on quite nicely. It is actually leather, or a faux leather, on the back and the front of this. I am still not sure what that mark is on the front, but I haven't tried to take it off with like a little bit of alcohol wipe or maybe some nail polish remover or something like that and see if it will disappear. But yeah, isn't that sweet? So it is only a very quick little review for this one, just to show you everything that you do have left and what it looks like when it's completed. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.